Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add payment passcode on your Windows app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on account down here. So when you just click here on account, it's going to take you in this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all when you just come to this list here, you just click here on payment passcode here. So then you can just switch into open video. So then you come to this list here, then here can you turn on payment passcode, and like you see this collection for us here, that's me is turned on with us. Then here can you add it. So I'm just going to add then you confirm your passcode, you add here, then it's going to add with us. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.